Cold welding machine is a kind of electric welding machine. The cold welding machine has a wide range of applications. It can repair all kinds of steel, cast iron, cast steel, aluminum, cast aluminum, etc. And can also be used to strengthen the surface of hard alloy. The solder length can be used normally from 10 mm to 50 mm. And the solder can also be bent to repair special bends and other parts. The substrate has no heat, no deformation, no undercut. The stainless steel thin wall welding machine is the scale of resistance welding. It is characterized by the ability to select the appropriate current and pulse time according to the thickness of the sheet during welding, and accurately control the heating temperature, and the arc instantly melts the workpiece. Therefore, the temperature is not high and will not cause overheating or deformation of the welded workpiece. The cold welding machine and the general electric welding machine have very good advantages when welding. The appropriate current and pulse time can be selected according to the thickness of the sheet, and the heating temperature can be accurately controlled, and the arc instantly melts the workpiece. Therefore, the temperature is not high, and will not cause overheating or deformation of the welded workpiece. What is the difference between cold welding machine and argon arc welding with two protection welding? 1. The difference in welding temperature. The welding temperature of cold welding machine is 2/3 lower than that of argon arc welding machine. The welding time of Anhui-Huasheng high energy precision welding machine can be accurately controlled. That is, using the maximum current of this welding machine for welding. The temperature of the base metal after welding is only tens of degrees, which can be touched by hand. 2. The difference in the amount of deformation. In plate welding is not easy to deform. Because the welding time of Anhui-Huasheng cold welding machine is accurately controlled, the welding temperature is much lower than that of argon arc welding machine. So Anhui-Huasheng cold welding machine is better than argon arc welding in thin plate welding. Welding machine has great advantages. Thin plate welding is not deformed, and manual welding of the thinnest plate can reach 0.2 mm. 3. The difference in the brightness of the weld bead. The weld bead of the Anhui-Huasheng cold welder is white and bright, and will not turn yellow and black after welding like an argon arc welder. 4. The difference in welding machine function. Anhui-Huasheng cold welding machine has a variety of welding modes, including precision spot welding, precision continuous spot welding. It can be said that Anhui-Huasheng cold welding machine can be used for multiple purposes. Deal with